In the realm of home design, where every room is a canvas waiting to be painted with the strokes of elegance, the kitchen stands as the heart of creativity. I'm Garrett, your guide in this auditory journey, and today, we delve into the symphony of kitchen design. So, sit back, close your eyes, and let the whispers of timeless elegance fill the air. The Overture of Design. Have you ever felt the urge to transform your kitchen into a timeless masterpiece? Picture this, the grand entrance of oversized vent hoods. These aren't just kitchen elements, they're the crescendo that elevates your space. Join me as we explore the drama, the glamour, and the luxury that an oversized vent hood brings to your culinary stage. Micro kitchens unveiled. Our symphony takes a turn as we spotlight the unsung heroes of compact living, micro kitchens. In this movement, the all-black kitchen emerges as a mysterious character, daring and bold. Can it endure the test of time, or will it become a fleeting melody? Let's navigate through the challenges and beauty of an all-black kitchen, unraveling the enigmatic allure of darkness in kitchen design. The artistry of cabinetry. As our symphony continues, we shift our focus to the subtleties of cabinetry tones and colors. Think of your kitchen as a canvas, and the cabinetry as the brushstrokes that define the narrative. In this movement, we explore the intricacies of colors, tones, and the unspoken elegance that turns your kitchen into a timeless masterpiece. Join me in uncovering the artistry of cabinetry. Culmination of design, innovative appliances. Every symphony reaches its climax, and in the world of kitchen design, it's the innovative appliances of 2024. Forget the ordinary, embrace the extraordinary. Stainless steel had its era, but now, we unveil the rise of panel-ready appliances. These aren't just gadgets, they're the magical artifacts seamlessly blending into your kitchen's narrative. Join me in discussing the allure, the splurge, and whether these game changers are worth the investment in our grand finale. And as the final notes of our symphony echo, I invite you to reflect on your kitchen tale. From oversized vent hoods to all-black kitchens and the artistry of cabinetry tones, we've explored the chapters that define a kitchen's story. Share your thoughts, become part of the L family by hitting that subscribe button, and until the next symphony begins, with that said, thanks for listening, and until next time.